Hello.
Hello, my dear John. Good morning.
Good morning.
I think you are eating.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you can take your breakfast. Am I right? Is that your breakfast?
Yeah, this is my breakfast.
Okay. Is it okay for teacher to take your breakfast while we are in study? Okay?
Okay.
Just listen to teacher, okay?
Okay.
Okay, once again, John, good morning.
Good morning.
Teacher is so happy to see you again.
Okay.
Okay, now where are you now? I can
I'm here.
I can see you, but okay, you can take your breakfast. How's your
Okay.
day? How's your day? How's your day
My day
today?
good.
Okay, good to hear that, Jan. Now, let me share my screen, Jan. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, can you see the screen, Jan, clearly?
Okay.
Okay, now we are in the Unit 22 important numbers. But let me check first the remaining slide that we will not tackle last meeting, okay? Are we done
Okay.
here? Are we done here? I think
Mm.
we are done here. Okay, wait for a while.
Oh, yeah.
I think we are done here. Here, with I think this is the slide is not yet tackled with teachers. Yeah, last meeting. Am I right, John?
What?
Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
This one we will tackle this one today, okay? This is the
Oh,
remaining slide. Okay, I want you to let's take the picture of the people you read about. So I want you to read this one, the youngest and the oldest. I will give you
okay.
2 minutes, then after that, tell teacher, okay?
Okay.
Read it in silent.
Okay. I'm here.
You are done. Okay, now for example, John, here are some interesting information. Did you know that the youngest driver in the world passed his driving test? So
In.
here is
In.
the example here is the pictures that tells in the example, right? So in number 1, can you check the people you read in this according to this picture? In number 1.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, check your answer. Okay, let's check your answer. Woo, very good, John. In number 2, the youngest, in number 2, Mm-hmm. Check now your answer.
Okay.
Okay. Teacher will wait.
Here.
Let's check your answer. It's this one. Represent or tells the number 2. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay? Okay. Now in number 3. So,
Okay. It's here.
that one. No, this is one. In number 4. Oh, sorry.
No.
There is no number 4.
I choose this. I
Okay.
choose this.
Okay. You choose that. So based on the story you read, I want you to answer this one. How many youngest or oldest people did you read about? How many youngest? Is it?
1, 2, 3, and actually 3 youngest and 2 oldest.
Okay. How many picture of people are there here? How many picture?
7.
7. Okay, very good, John. Now let's proceed to another slide. Flyer tips. In reading and writing part 4, you have to choose the correct words for each gap from these given words. You do not have to supply your own words, okay? Understand? Hello, Jan. Are you there?
Yeah, I there.
I want you to in flyer tips in reading and writing. You have to choose the correct word for each gap from this given words. You do not have to supply your own words. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. In this one, I choose the right words and write them on the lines. Okay? For example, in number 1, on 27 March 1974, when he was 14 years, 235 days old. Is it clear? I want you to pick words here according to its number. Okay? Hello, John. Are you there? John?
Yeah, I there. I there.
Okay. Okay, in number 2, you will proceed in number 2. Write or choose the correct words according here in the given words. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now you can start now. John, are you answering? John, you can answer now the number 2.
Okay.
If you are preferred, John, teacher will write for you. Is it okay? You will now tell teacher, then I will write. Is it okay or You just want to write.
Okay, I will do.
Okay. Now our teacher will wait. Hello, Jan. Since it is time consuming, I will write for you. Teacher will write.
Okay.
Okay,
In
you
number
can.
3.
Number 2. I can't see your answer in number 2. What is your answer? Was?
Yeah.
Was. Okay, I will write it for you, Jan. Is that a... Just wait. Mm-hmm. Wait for a while. Was your answer? Was. In number 2, and number 3 rather. Okay. You just encircle the... Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry for that.
Oh.
Sorry for that. This is your answer in number 2. Okay. Now. Mm-hmm.
Anyone. Someone. Okay, I done.
You are done. Okay, teacher will write it first here, then you will read later, okay? Number 5, what is your answer? And. And. Number 6, long. Number 7, of. Number 8, already. Already. Number 9, anyone? Number 10, flying. Okay, is it your final answer, Jan? Okay, now let's check your answer if it's correct. In number 1,
Okay.
in number 2, the answer is just The answer is wow, so very good. The youngest golfer to hit a golf ball and the way to the flag was called Mateo Dropper. Mateo hit a ball 112 meters. Okay, in number 3, let's reveal your answer. Your answer is bad. Very good, John. Can you read number 4? Can you read? Oh, it's did, not doing. In number 4, can you read your answer and the
212 days old when he did that. Sandy's Link was only 13 when he wrote and almost failed.
Okay, very good. Now it is not doing. I did, but it is did. Okay. Number 1, you are check. Number 2, you are check. Number 3, you are check. But number 4, you are wrong. It's okay, Chan. In number 5, your answer is and. Can you answer?
Can I read?
Yes, you can read.
What number?
Number 5.
Number 5.
And
when he wrote and almost failed. The famous movie Lex the Wonder Dog in
1973.
1973. The film was 92 minutes long.
Oh, very good. In number 7, you are check here. You are check here. In number 5, check. Check. Number 7. Hurry. Okay. Can you read?
Yeah, I can read.
Okay, read it first. Hurry.
Number 7.
Yes, number 7.
Oh, okay. Wait me a while.
Okay.
Number 7.
Number 7.
Cuban at the age of 103. Okay.
Okay, number 7. Let's reveal. Very good. You got the correct answer. Now let's proceed here. His new wife. Okay. Okay, let's reveal first the answer. Someone flew. So here in number 8, you got the correct answer. In number 9, oh, your answer is anyone, but the answer actually is someone. Okay? You are wrong here. In number 10, your answer is flying, but the correct answer is flew. Okay? It's wrong. So no need to read because it is time consuming. So I will count your correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. You got 6 over 9. So good job. Good job. Okay? Is it okay? It's okay. Okay? Now let's proceed to another slide. John, are you there?
I'm here.
Okay, I will erase first the now let's proceed to another slide. You did a good job in this slide. Okay? Okay, now let's proceed to another slide. Listen and write. Okay? I want you to listen in the audio I play. Okay? I will play. Okay, now let's Now you can listen and
Brave, dangerous, and difficult thing to do.
That's right. She's amazing. And you know, she didn't only do that once, she climbed it twice.
Really?
Yes, she was 63 years old the first time.
How wonderful.
Then she climbed it again on May the 19th, 2012.
And how old was she the second time?
She was 73. She's the oldest woman to ever climb that mountain.
How did she feel when she arrived at the top?
I don't know. Very pleased, perhaps.
Do you think her back, arms, and legs were sore?
Of course. For the last part of the trip, she and the other people in the group were climbing all night.
So, what time did they arrive at the top?
At 7 o'clock in the morning.
And how high is the mountain?
It's 8,850 meters high.
That's a long way to climb and carry all the things they needed to get to the top.
I know.
now I want you to write the answer here.
Okay.
Okay. You can do it, Jan. You want to listen again?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You can write the answer, okay, while you are listening.
22D. Important numbers. Listen and write.
Dad, I found a great website with all the information I need to write about a special person.
So, who are you going to write about?
Someone I'm really interested in. Her name's Tame Watanabe, the Japanese woman who climbed to the top of Everest.
You mean the mountain?
Yes, Dad. Everest, the highest mountain in the world.
Wow, that's a brave, dangerous, and difficult thing to do.
That's right. She's amazing. And you know, she didn't only do that once, she climbed it twice.
Really?
Yes, she was 63 years old the first time.
How wonderful.
Then she climbed it again on May the 19th, 2012.
And how old was she the second time?
She was 73. She's the oldest woman to ever climb that mountain.
How did she feel when she arrived at the top?
I don't know. Very pleased, perhaps.
Do you think her back, arms, and legs were sore?
Of course. For the last part of the trip, she and the other people in the group were climbing all night.
So, what time did they arrive at the top?
At 7 o'clock in the morning.
And how high is the mountain?
It's 8,850 meters high.
That's a long way to climb and carry all the things they needed to get to the top.
I know.
8,000
What, Jan?
8,088
Mm-hmm.
meters. I will say
Uh,
for you. I can write.
Okay. What mountain or what meters high? 8,000.
And 88.
Okay. Now let's check your answer if you got the correct answer, Jan. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. The mountain they climb is Mountain Everest. Okay? Is it okay? It's okay. It's okay. In age the first time. So the age is 63. So you got the correct answer, Jan. Very good on that. Okay? Very good. Date of second time. Let's reveal the answer if you got the correct answer, Jan. 19. Okay, very good. You got the correct answer. time they got the top. So the time they got the top is 7. Good job. You got the correct answer in that. Mountain is what? Mountain high, meters high.
8,018.
8,850 meters. Oh, so it's wrong. It's okay. It's okay, Jan. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let's proceed to another slide. Let me first erase this one. Hmm? Okay, now let's proceed to another slide. Are you ready? Okay. This time, ordinal numbers. We normally add th to the end of the cardinal number to make it an ordinal number. So cardinal number just like this. Okay, like for example, cardinal number is this. That one. Number 2, number 3, number 4. That is cardinal number. To make it ordinal number, Jan, let's add th and d or d like this. Like this one. That one. That. Third. To make it sound second, third, fourth. Okay?
Okay.
So you will add, be careful to spelling exemption below. So this one, how you read this one? This one.
Where?
This one.
First,
First.
second, third,
Okay.
fourth,
Fourth. Fifth.
fifth,
Sixth.
sixth, seventh,
Seventh.
eighth,
Eighth.
ninth,
Ninth. Tenth.
10th,
Okay, very good. This one. 11th.
11th, 12th,
12th.
13th, 14th,
Okay.
15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th,
Okay, this
21st,
first.
22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31, 32, 31, 14, 41st,
First.
50,
50.
51st.
First, 51st. Okay, good job here, Jan. You did a good job to read this one. So, take note, Jan, when we this one we called it cardinal number, but if we add th and dr, it is called cardinal number. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let's proceed to another slide. What is the day today? Jan, are you there? Mm-hmm.
It is, I don't know.
Mm-hmm. It is 23rd. 23rd
20,
day. Okay? Now,
okay.
when is your birthday, Jan?
My birthday is, my birthday is 19 of December.
Okay, December, is it? Okay, now let's proceed to another slide. So, in this one, you need to complete the sentence with your numbers, your personal numbers, okay? Like for example, I am how
Okay.
meters tall you are. Okay. You can write it on the blank. Okay, I will wait. Teacher will wait. If you don't know how to write down, then I will be the one to write for you. Is it okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Right.
okay. Okay,
I
I'm
am one and 14 meter.
14, 1 and 14 meter.
No, 1 and 40.
40 rather. Sorry, my this one. My lucky number is
6.
6.
Yeah, 6.
Oh, why 6 is your lucky number?
I don't know. Maybe I choose.
Okay, you choose that one. So that is your favorite number, right?
I think it's maybe.
Mm. Okay, now let's proceed here. My birthday is on December.
December
Okay,
19.
December 19. December 19. Okay, my telephone number is, you don't know what is your telephone number?
Yeah, I don't know.
Also,
Maybe.
let's leave this one. So I think I know blank English words rather. I think I know blank
Some word.
some
English word.
some English words. Okay. I often travel on the number
7.
7. Okay. It takes me blank minutes to come to school. How many minutes you take going to
It
school?
is take 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay. My school is
10.
10 kilometers.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, about blank people live in the village, town, city where my home is. About blank people live in the village, town, city where my home is. People about in your place.
About my people live
Yes.
in the city.
About let's just leave this one. I think you don't know this one. So, and today you are, and today, 11, right?
Yeah, I'm 11.
11. So, 11 years old, month of
Month of July.
July. So, and
And 23rd.
okay, very good, John. You did a good job this one. Okay,
Minutes
so
left.
now let's proceed to another slide.
How many minutes left?
I think it's 5 minutes left.
Okay.
So now let's proceed here. This one. Where's my okay? In this task, do the do the birthday puzzle today. Today date is Friday 17th February. Do the birthday puzzle today. Do the birthday puzzle. Today date is Friday 17th in February. So David's birthday was only yesterday. So you need to do a puzzle based on this one. Is it clear?
Okay, this is the last one.
Yes.
Okay. Do the birthday puzzle. Today is Friday, February. Okay. David's birthday was only yesterday.
Yesterday. David's birthday was only yesterday. So what date is that?
The
I
date
think
is Friday, 17 February.
today is the date of today is February 17, 15. So yesterday, what date? What date is that? What day or date is that? Or what month is that? I think it's Thursday, 16th in February, right?
We will skip.
What?
Birthday was 3
Oh,
weeks.
David's birthday was only yesterday.
Oh yeah.
So
Okay.
it's Thursday,
David's
right?
is Thursday 60.
Yes. Now in number 2, Paul's birthday was 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. So what day is that?
Okay, with me is the day was
I think it
okay.
January.
Wait me a minute.
Okay.
Okay, it is
Okay. In number 16, this one is the answer.
okay.
The-
Can we skip that part?
Okay. Oh, it's January 27th. 27th in January. So now let's hear take this number 3. Harry can't remember what presents he got for his last birthday because it was 11 months ago. So what month and day is that? Harry can't remember what present he got for his last birthday because it was 11 years ago. So, can we move to
Okay.
December? December? No.
Okay, I know. I
Okay,
know.
okay. Say it.
Okay, with me.
You will not say it. You
Oh
don't.
wait. It
Okay.
is
Uh-uh. It is.
Friday, 17 February.
Okay, let's reveal the answer. Oh, it's March 17th. It's
Okay.
okay. In number 4, Jim's birthday was 2 days after Paul's. After. So it's
That is 29.
2 days.
It is Sunday,
Jim's
29.
birthday was 2 days. Now let's proceed. Let's reveal your answer. It's 29 of January. Very good. Now, in number 5, Anna's birthday was last Sunday. Last Sunday.
It was last Sunday.
Mhm.
It is 17 6. It is 10. 10.
Uh-huh, it's 12.
Oh,
Was last Sunday.
but it is
Mm.
7. But it is 7 day.
70. Wait for a while, okay? Teacher will solve it. 17, Friday. 16, Thursday. Wednesday, 15. 15, Wednesday. Tuesday, 14. 14, Tuesday. Monday, 13. Sunday is 12. It's Sunday, 12th of February.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Kim and Emma always have a birthday party together because their birthday are on the same day. For their last birthday, they went to a cinema with some friends. That was 6 months ago. 6 months ago. February, January, December, November, October, September. So what
Maybe
was
what? September
September?
of 17.
August of 17 rather. It is not September. Teacher counted is wrong. Okay, in number 7.
Happy birthday party. Yeah, it's tomorrow. It's very easy. It's Saturday 18.
Okay, very good. Kathy isn't their birthday party yet. It's tomorrow. It is 18th on February. Okay. So now, John, we don't have enough time to continue our lesson. So let's end our lesson this time. Okay.
This end of the lesson now.
This
Can I
is
leave
our.
now?
Wait for a while. Teacher will say goodbye for you first. Goodbye. See you next meeting.
I will laugh, right?
What, John?
Bye.
Okay, you may. Bye. See you
I
next
left now.
meeting.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.